How to view achievements in Horror Tale 3. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can look out at your achievements. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the last option, you can see achievements. Simply tap on achievements. So, in this section, it shows what is the best type, winning or winning this game. Now, here there are different type of categories that are available like course, easy, medium, and hard. So, there are different options and modes that you can select and play the game. So this is the section where it shows in which timing or how much timing that you completed this game. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.